Musical notes: Hulengende, Chigunduru ChaJehovah, the voice of the moment mic. The vibrant soundscape of Zimbabwean music is constantly evolving, and a name that has been resonating powerfully across airwaves and digital platforms is Hulengende. More than just an artist, he has also adopted the moniker, Chigunduru ChaJehovah, a title that speaks volumes about his sound, his message, and his impact on the Zimdancehall and wider music scene. Who is Hulengende? Hulengende is a prominent voice in the Zimdancehall genre, an artist whose lyrical prowess and unique delivery set him apart. His music is often characterized by a blend of hard-hitting social commentary, relatable stories, and an unmistakable energy that makes his tracks instant crowd movers. Unpacking. Chigunduru ChaJehovah. The term, Chigunduru ChaJehovah, is a powerful phrase, translating roughly from Shona to Jehovah's disc, or Jehovah's wheel ball. In a cultural and religious context, it carries a deep spiritual weight, suggesting an entity or person who is guided by a higher power. The title implies that the artist sees himself as an instrument or a vessel directed by God, Jehovah. A force of impact. A Chigunduru, disc, wheel, or ball, suggests something that is moving, rolling, and having an effect on its environment, a force to be reckoned with. Carrying a divine message. For many artists, adopting a spiritual title reflects a commitment to infusing their work with morality, guidance, or even prophecy. In short, the name is a bold declaration of the artist's mission to deliver powerful, impactful music that is spiritually guided. The music that defines the title. The album or collection of singles titled Chigunduru ChaJehovah serves as the central pillar for this identity. Tracks associated with this project showcase the dual nature of his artistic mission. Spiritual and reflective songs. These tracks delve into themes of faith, perseverance, and divine protection, justifying the ChaJehovah part of his name. They often offer hope and encouragement in challenging times. Hard-hitting dancehall anthems. Simultaneously, Hulengende doesn't shy away from the gritty, energetic core of Zimdancehall. His songs often contain sharp critiques of societal issues or celebrate life with the raw, vibrant energy the genre is known for. The Chigunduru element is evident in the forceful rhythm and undeniable momentum of his performance. Hulengende's impact on the culture. Hulengende's work, particularly under the Chigunduru ChaJehovah banner, is significant because it elevates Zimdancehall's lyrical depth. By blending street credibility with spiritual introspection, he demonstrates the genre's capacity to be a platform for profound thought, not just entertainment. Connects with a broad audience. The spiritual undertones appeal to the deeply religious segment of Zimbabwean society, while the authentic dancehall vibe captures the youth. Reinforces identity. His adoption of a traditional yet spiritual Shona title firmly anchors his art in the Zimbabwean cultural and religious landscape. Hulengende, Chigunduru ChaJehovah is more than a stage name, it's a creative manifesto. It signals an artist who is not only here to entertain but to move the masses, guided by a force he believes is greater than himself. His music is a true reflection of the moment, energetic, rooted, and profoundly seeking. What are your favorite tracks from the Chigunduru ChaJehovah collection? Share your thoughts in the comments. Would you be interested in a summary of the lyrical themes in a specific song from this collection, such as Dare Remwana or Handisi Kumira?